Now, God willing, today I will explain how to change the shipping address. I can do it from inside the app in two ways. For example, if you have changed your home, for example, and want to change your address inside the Temu app. Or, for example, you want to add a new address to send a package. You want to buy something from the Temu app. You send it an address. For example, if I changed my home, I want to change the shipping or delivery address. My address inside the Temu app. How will the method be? The method is simply like this. I currently have the app in English. This is my explanation. Come the main page of the Temu app will look like the second form that we see here. We will scroll down to the bottom, right to an icon, like the word you or profile or personal file. We will click on it like this. At the top, we will see the icon in this second form. Notifications. This will appear here as follows. This is our personal profile. Scroll down to the bottom. We will see the option called as follows for the address. We click on it like this. So I will simply give you the address related to Nakat al-Bayara. And the old address, you can either edit it or delete it. For me, I prefer to delete it completely. So I can edit and add a new address. I will work on the car. For example, delete. I give it the phrase delete address. Here it tells me that I deleted the old account. Now I will add a new address after that. We click on add a new address. We click on it. Now it asks me in the second form to add the new address. First, we scroll down a lot in the area where you are. We scroll to the first name. I will enter it. We entered the first name. We scroll down to the bottom to the name second. We entered the second name. We scroll down to the bottom. We will enter here, of course, your phone number. After that, we scroll down to the bottom to enter the address. We click on the pencil, enter address manually, meaning I added the address manually. We will click on these rules and press here. Pen icon for street. We put the street name. We put the street name here, and the house number is the house number. I will put the house number here. We scroll down to the bottom. The abbreviation PLC means postal code. We will put the postal code here. We click below on the word time on city. We will choose the city. I will click on the city name. Then I click on the address details for me. Street name, house number, postal code, city name. Now, I give you the summary. Simply tells you that the address has been saved. Simply. And in this way, God willing, we have learned how I can change my shipping address from inside the Temu app. In addition to changing my address inside my account in the Temu app. This video, God willing, is really finished. And we will see you in the next video. Peace be upon you and God's mercy. Hello, on nothing.